Hi, I'm Christina Robinson, and I attended the University of Miami for undergrad, and I am here at the University of Miami School of Law again for law school, and I'm a 3L. This summer, I worked at Lambda Legal, which is the oldest and largest national LGBT civil rights organization in the country. I was primarily working on the HB 1523 law that was passed in Mississippi. We were working on trying to make sure that it didn't go into effect, basically. And I did research to help with that. Basically, the law that was passed in Mississippi would allow a business to discriminate against any LGBT person on the basis of their sexual orientation or gender identity. So if you are a business and you're a restaurant and somebody comes into your restaurant and they are clearly transgender, you can say, excuse me, I don't want you in my establishment, and they would have to leave by law because they are a transgender person. So we are trying to prevent this from going into effect at Lambda. So I applied to a number of positions over the summer, and basically I went to the Equal Justice Works conference, which was amazing, and I also applied to some organizations on my own. Lambda is actually one of the organizations I applied to on my own. I applied to their transgender rights project, and they weren't having that over the summer, so they asked me if I wanted to be considered for the regular applicant pool, and I was like, yes, I do. They're an amazing organization, and that's how I got this position. I think Miami Law is one of the best schools you can go to for public interest. I don't think there's any other school I would have gone to that would have helped me and guided me as much as I've been guided to get the 2 internships I've gotten both summers. I worked at the Legal Aid Society my 1L summer, which is basically like the public defender in New York, and I love that opportunity. And the Hope Office really guided me to that opportunity over the summer. And I was at the Children and Youth Law Clinic. I was interning there my spring semester, and I worked with Professor Stewart. She was my clinic supervisor. She was phenomenal, and working and getting really individualized attention in that, and getting to do real legal work, feeling like an actual attorney with my own clients, and being supervised. But it was an incredible opportunity. I highly recommend the Children and Youth Law Clinic. The ACLU of Florida, I was in their LGBT division my fall semester, and that was really helpful for me applying to Lambda, getting this internship, and just knowing how to do it. Again, Equal Justice Works, I never would have known about that if it hadn't been for the Hope Office. I'm a Miami scholar, so that was really helpful for my first summer to fund me. But over the summer, my second summer, I needed funding, and I applied to be a Hope Fellow, and so I was able to get a Hope Fellowship. And I think just in general, the amount of support and the individualized attention that I've gotten from this institution is just phenomenal, and I would never have gone anywhere else.